Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Aaron here for the Love of Tech. We are checking out another Soundcore device. Today, we are checking out the Motion Boom. This is a boombox, boom stereo type of speaker. If you kind of take a look at it, it is full of features, just like the Trance I just unboxed and reviewed for you guys, which sounded phenomenal. This thing is full of all sorts of stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's on the outside of the box, since this is an unboxing. So right here outside the box, we've got some stereo stuff, customizable EQ, a power IQ charge output. So there must be a wireless charging pad somewhere on here which will allow us to set our device on and hopefully wirelessly charge. So that's the whole point of that. You got the Soundcore app, nothing too impressive there other than it's well done. And you have the 24 hours of playtime, a titanium driver, and dual passive radiators. I don't know what any of that means as it relates to sound, but it sounds impressive. So good job there. Now this is fully waterproof, extended treble and bass. It's got the bass up technology, and this actually has a USB-C output. Fully waterproof is kind of what they're saying here. It says fully waterproof, not making it up. It's showing a picture here of it submerged in water. I am not making it up. So this thing looks pretty phenomenal. It looks like a powerhouse of a little boombox, but now we got to get into it, listen to it, and see how does it really sound. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the Motion Boom, if you will, and let's see what that actually costs. So this is, here we go, the Motion Boom. So there's one rating here, but 5 stars. So whoever took the time to rate this, good job, you must have loved it. And this is only 89 bucks. And I say 89 bucks only because you are getting a whole lot for your money. All sorts of cool things here. So all this anchor technology that they built into it to make this thing just awesome and amazing. So let's go ahead, let's open it up and actually see what it looks like, what the setup time is like, and all that good stuff. So here we go. We actually have a USB to USB-C right there. If I had to guess, they probably did not include a charging brick, which I find annoying, but at the same time, Apple got away with not including a charging brick. Now, Anchor isn't exactly Apple, but if I had to say, it's probably okay that we don't have a charging brick. So I'm gonna go ahead and power this on right here really quick. Came right on. We're gonna scoot over here to our Anchor app, see if there's a place to add another device. And here is our Motion Boom. That was the whole entire setup. And if you've ever had a Bluetooth device that's not exactly easy to set up, you will appreciate having this ready to go. So let's go ahead and just hit play and see what we get. There you have it, folks, the Soundcore Motion Boom. It's nice, it sounded good, it's, you know, got everything that it's supposed to have, little rub around the bottom so that way, you know, it doesn't hit on the table. It's got a little bit of play there, it's little subwoofers on the side. So that's just a little worrisome. That's a little worrisome. This right here, I know that's to get, you know, good. It feels like that should be covered. That's just, I'm just gonna say that. I feel like it should be protected. That's a little nervous. So I don't know. It says it's fully waterproof, so maybe it's okay. And I don't know what the blueberries I'm talking about, which I'm okay with that. I'm okay not knowing what I'm talking about. It's a little weird, but just something to get used to, because whenever anything's different, of course it's weird. So we just have to get used to it. So there it is, guys. It sounds good. Soundcore app is solid. It's simple. It does everything it says it's going to do. There's no sorts of extra fancy stuff that makes it confusing or hard to understand. I like the simplicity behind the Soundcore app. So good job there, guys. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description, an affiliate link, if you will. If you want to go ahead and buy this from Amazon through my affiliate link, I earn a small little part of a commission there, and I would appreciate it. Or if you want to go ahead and buy it directly from the manufacturer, you will not hurt my feelings. But if this is your first time here in the For the Love of Tech studio with me, or you've just never said hello to me before, head down to the comments and let me know that this is your first time here so I can properly welcome you to the For the Tech community. Guys, like, comment, subscribe. If you want to pay me the ultimate creator compliment, share my content with your friends and family on social media, including Twitter. And don't forget to find me and follow me on Twitter, because I want to be your friend and you can talk to me on Twitter. I talk to anybody on Twitter. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.